Namaste, Primo from LG Electronics. Today I am making for the millets ragi kheer. For the ingredients, so here I taken, so this is a vermicelli for the ragi vermicelli and bella. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಪ್ಪ, elachi powder, ಗೋಡಂಬಿ, ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಮತ್ತೆ milk. So first we can use it. So for this one, I'll use it for the any microsafe vessel, borosilicate glass also you can use it. So either you wanted to use for the pan also you can use it. So here this I can do for the just for the roasting for 2 minutes. So for this I can use it for the 1 spoon of ghee. Just we can mix well. So this is just I can use it in the microwave for 2 minutes. We'll keep inside plus 900. Set the time for 2 minutes. In the 2 minutes the vermicelli get roast. So for that time we can add a, so I taken for already boiled milk. Either you can take for the lukewarm milk also. So for this I can add a jaggery. So you want to add for the sugar also you can add. So you want to add a jaggery also you can add. So we'll add a jaggery and keep it for 3 to 4 minutes. That time the jaggery get melts on that. Okay, so now the roasting part is done. So you can have a look. So nicely roasted. Okay, so this we can keep it here. So for the milk, add it for the jaggery one. I'll keep inside. Set micro 900 power. Set the time for 3 to 5 minutes. See now the jaggery also cooks here. So now I can add it in this. This is a roasted vermicelli I can add in this. Just we want to boil it for the 2 minutes on this one. So not more the time you can keep. So for the 2 minutes it will be get nicely boiled on this. Okay, so last 30 seconds is there. So I'm adding for little bit elachi powder on that one for the taste. So continue the time. So last 5 seconds is there. Now, so your ragi kheer is ready. So just we can leave for 2 minutes. It's come to set on that. So just we can see, it comes to nicely boiled as. So millets ragi kheer is ready. Thank you. See, after the 5 minutes, so it's nicely cooked on this. So you can have for the millets ragi kheer. Okay, thank you.